You see the mouth now? See the mouth? I'll now test with air whether to cut. Did you see it? CT original. Auto sharp going to the feet now. Bone. You can see it. This is biscuit bone. It's over. Then you use your finger to spread it. You see the surface. That is to and fro 20. You see the surface now? To action. You see. And see how the inside. You see, when you watch carefully, you can see that you see it. Copper clipper blade, you put it on top of the bottom clipper blade. Front, you come back. Then you now check the inside. If you see carbon from left hand side to the right hand side, for the means the clipper blade has been sharpened correctly. Let us watch now. Yeah, can you see it now? You see the carbon.